Ecological pyramids are graphic or diagrammatic representations of different trophic levels with autotrophs or green plants at the base, with herbivores and carnivores being placed above them. Ecological pyramids are represented in terms of numbers, biomass and energy, and hence the different types of ecological pyramids are pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy.
Pyramid of numbers. The pyramid of numbers shows the relationship between the primary producers, herbivores and carnivores at successive trophic levels in terms of their numbers. These pyramids are upright or inverted. In grasslands, there are maximum numbers of grass plants, but successively numbers of herbivores and carnivores decreases. Hence, the pyramid is upright. In forests, the pyramid of numbers is rhomboid shaped, but in tree ecosystem, the pyramids are always inverted. This is due to the fact that a single plant may support the growth of many herbivores, and each herbivore provides nutrition to several parasites. For example, a tree provides nutrition to several parrots, and each parrot in turn provides nutrition to lice or other parasites. Pyramids of biomass. Pyramids of biomass are more fundamental, showing a quantitative relationship of the biomass in producers, herbivores and carnivores. In forest and grasslands, there is a gradual decrease in biomass at successive levels from producers to top carnivores. So, in forest and grasslands, pyramids are upright. In the case of a pond, producers are very small organisms with lower value of biomass, but this value gradually increases, making the pyramid inverted. Pyramid of energy. The pyramid of energy is always upright because there is a gradual decrease in energy content at successive trophic levels from the producers to consumers. The pyramid of energy represents the total quantity of energy used by different trophic levels of organisms of an ecosystem per unit area over a set period of time.
In this way, ecological succession takes place in ecology, and food chains, food webs and ecological pyramids play their role in maintaining the balance in the ecosystem. Each organism is interdependent with the other, thus forming an essential link in the natural cycle. The absence of a single link in the cycle will destroy the natural cycle and thus the ecology, resulting in utter chaos and destruction of the ecology. It is therefore important to understand each link that is represented by the organisms and respect them for the role that they play in the entire natural cycle.